Welcome to ByteFurther. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix an iPhone 15 software update failed error. When it comes to iOS installation and update, there are lots of hoops to jump through. Some unexpected software update failing problems can easily arise during this process. After saying update requested, your iPhone 15 keeps giving an error saying software update failed and error occurred downloading iOS. This issue often occurs after unstable network connections, system glitches, low storage, server issues, and so on. We'll discuss a few troubleshooting steps you can follow when you meet a software update failed error on iPhone 15. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Check the network and battery. Make sure your iPhone 15 is connected to a Wi-Fi network. It's not recommended to use cellular data or a personal hotspot. Next, make sure the network has a stable internet connection. If it has problems, try a different Wi-Fi network or reset the network settings, then reconnect it. When you're assured that the network is good, check your iPhone 15's battery percentage. It must be charged to at least 50% and kept plugged into a power source during the update. Be sure to use the genuine charging cable and charger. Once confirmed, go to Settings, update your iPhone 15 again and see if it can download and install the firmware normally this time. Step 2. Force the device to reboot. In rapid sequence, press volume up then release. Press volume down then release. Press the power key and keep holding the key for around 10 to 20 seconds. Ignore the screen that appears with the red power off slider. Only when the Apple logo appears, release the power key. After your iPhone 15 powers on, go to Settings, download and install the iOS update again. Check if the iOS update failed error is fixed and removed. Step 3. Delete unused data to free up more space. If your iPhone 15 still pops up software update failed and error occurred downloading iOS, it could indicate that the storage space is low. To install an update over the air from your iPhone 15, it requires memory for the iOS installer, the new update file, the current system software, and other temporary files. Take the latest iOS 26 version as an example. The available storage requirement for over-the-air updates is at least 18 GB of free space at all times. If the internal storage is insufficient, delete unused media, offload or remove unneeded apps, clear browser history, and so on. Once created enough space, update your iPhone 15 again and the installation should start working as intended. Step 4. Delete previous update then download again. Check whether there is a previous version that was downloaded but not installed on the device. To do that, head to Settings. Tap on General. Choose iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find the update file in the list of apps. If there is an update firmware, tap the update and select Delete Update. Once done, go back to the Settings page and tap General. Next, choose Software Update to check for the latest iOS version. When prompted, tap the Download and Install button to trigger the update process. Step 5. Apply a computer to update iPhone 15 software. Using the Settings app is not the only way to update iOS. When you get troubled with an iPhone 15 update failure, take advantage of a computer to install the latest update instead of over the air. Here are the steps to follow. On a Windows PC or a Mac with Mac OS Mojave or earlier, open iTunes or Apple Devices app. On a Mac with Mac OS Catalina or higher, open Finder or Apple Devices app. Hook up your iPhone 15 to the machine with a lighting cable. Within seconds, the device should appear at the window of iTunes, Finder or Apple Devices app. Click the device name or the icon. Click General on Finder or click Summary tab on iTunes. There will be a Check for Update button. Click it. Then, hit Download and Update. To confirm, enter the lock screen passcode on your iPhone 15 and move on. Now, you should be able to update the phone to the latest iOS version. Step 6. Check the official server. When the new software update just launches, the servers will be floored or experience outages. This will lead to an iOS update error, causing your iPhone 15 to say software update failed. To verify it, go to the official system status page to see if the server is working properly. You can use the link in the description below to visit the site. If there's a known outage, wait for the company to fix the bug before updating your iPhone 15 again. That's all for how to fix when an iPhone 15 software update failed error occurred. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the ByteFurther channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.